You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, my name is Zoe Allen. I'm a sophomore animal biohealth major here at Alabama A&M University, and this is my partner.
My name is Kendra Jones, and I'm a third-year animal biohealth science student at Alabama A&M.
And today we'll be discussing our results of a project, the effect of age and time of day on the vital and behavioral parameters of Angus cattle.
So, the objective of our experiment was to assess the overall well-being of cattle by studying the variations of rectal temperature, respiratory rate, and chute behavior based on age and time of day. A total of 69 cows were studied, 24 calves, 20 yearlings, and 25 adults. To collect our data, rectal temperature was recorded using a clinical thermometer, respiratory rate was observed following costo-abdominal movements, and from there, individual chute scores were counted.
The data was analyzed using Stata 14.1 technology, and through this, we found that calves had a higher rectal temperature compared to yearlings and adult cattle, which was 103.8 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take 0.9 degrees, versus 102.8 versus 102.9 respectively. Similarly, calves had a higher respiratory rate compared to yearlings and adult cattle, which was 72 cycles per minute versus 64 cycles per minute and 56 cycles per minute, respectively. According to age group, a greater proportion of calves were calm in the chute, which were about 55%, while yearlings were only 7.7% and adults were 36.6%. A greater proportion of adults cattle walked while exiting the chute, which was about 48.5%, and calves were 38.4%, while yearlings were only a mere 13.1%. Overall, respiratory rate and rectal temperature was greater in the afternoon than in the morning. And based off of all of this data, we concluded that age and time of day influenced rectal temperature and respiratory rate and modulated behavior responses to cattle retained in the chute. Thank you for listening to our presentation.